Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, the canine chef in training, here with another jewel-worthy human treat. This is super easy to make. Today we are making baked lemon pepper flounder and sauteed veggies. Start off by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Then get a skillet and put a tablespoon or so of olive oil and turn it on medium heat. Wash all of your veggies, and you can use whatever fresh veggies you have on hand for this recipe. Here's how we did it this time, but it changes each time depending on what type of veggies we have on hand. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic, then slice some onion and add that to it. Mom always starts off all her veggie dishes with garlic and onion. She says it gives everything such an amazing flavor that you don't even need to add salt or other seasonings. I wouldn't know, dogs aren't supposed to have onions. She then added mushrooms, broccoli, and a splash of red wine vinegar. Mom works second shift. She works 1:30 p.m. to midnight Monday through Thursday, and Dad works first shift. He usually starts work around 5 a.m. So on Monday through Thursday, Mom usually prepares a meal for her lunch break, which is usually between 5:30 and 6:30 p.m. So basically it's most people's supper time. So this is what's going on in this video. It is around 1 p.m. and we're doing the prep work for the meal that will be put in the oven by Dad closer to 5 p.m. or so, and they will have that together on Mom's lunch break. So with that being said, she just sautés the veggies long enough for the onions to get soft, because then she will put that in the oven with the fish while it is cooking. For the lemon pepper flounder, you're going to need a flounder for each person, fresh lemon, about a half a lemon per flounder, pepper, and then olive oil, around 1 tablespoon. And like I said, this is super easy to make. The amount of flounder you need depends on how many people you are serving and how many servings you want each person to have. We made 2 pieces of flounder. You take your flounder out of the freezer, you let it thaw. Ours wasn't completely thawed, but it will be in the fridge for a while, so it will thaw in there until Mom's lunch break. Put some olive oil in the bottom of a baking dish. Put your fish in the dish. Our fish was a little big for the dish, but Mom was about to start work and she didn't have time to search for another one. Fish shrinks as it bakes, so it will fit eventually. Brush the fish with olive oil, then cover the fish with pepper. Wash your lemons and cut your lemons into thin slices and place across the top of the flounder. The lemons we had were starting to look pretty bad. Have y'all noticed the produce lately goes bad super fast? It doesn't matter if we get it from the grocery store or the produce stand, we still have the same issues. Well, anyway, we peeled the lemons because the peels looked really bad, and we just placed the lemon pieces across the fish. Typically, we slice the entire lemon, peel and all, and place that across the fish. Once the lemon pieces are across the fish, place in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until it flakes with a fork. Remove your lemon slices and enjoy your juicy lemony fish. Mom puts all of this in the fridge, and then Dad will put it in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes before her lunch break. The cast iron the veggies were cooked on can be stuck right into the oven. You have to keep an eye on the veggies because they probably don't need to cook the full 20 minutes if you're doing them in the oven. Just explaining how our weekdays work around here. They do eat healthy around here occasionally. It isn't always fried chicken and cheesecakes. The good thing is Mom works from home, so we all get to see her on her breaks and we all get to have supper together. So there you have it, a super easy baked lemon pepper flounder and sauteed veggies. A quick, super easy meal, and it can be prepped ahead and stuck in the oven later. We are so glad y'all stopped by. Leave us a comment so we know you stopped by. If you try this or any of our treats, stop by my Facebook page and leave a pic and tell me how you liked it. Until next time, stay safe and have a blessed week.